Hello friends, in my last video we learned about how to draw a female block figure. In today's video we are going to learn about how to draw a female fashion figure for fashion design. Let's get started. Firstly, I started with head. In fashion design, head must be drawn in oval shape. Oval shape means egg-like shape. Then I draw neck to shoulder with slightly curved shape and also draw collarbones with straight line. Now we draw bust shape. You should observe how I draw it. After completing bust shape, we start to draw bust to waist outline with slight curve on both sides. Then draw waist to hip line. Point 5 indicates crotch line. We draw crotch shape from hip to crotch with curve shape. Torso is completed. Now we start to draw legs. You will observe how I draw all shapes. When I draw legs from hip to knee line, then very slight curve line will be used. When I started to draw knee line to ankle line, then approximately half inches below the knee line, we observe that calf part is broader than knee part. After completing both legs, we will draw feet. In fashion design, feet and palms are not so important to draw in details. You will also observe that the fashion figure in which legs and hands are in elongated form than normal human proportion. Now we will start with to draw hands. When we draw hands, then again we use slight curved lines. I draw palm and thumb from outline of block figure. If you like my videos and will want to get notification of new videos, so subscribe my channel and as possible as share videos to others. The link of my other videos you will find in my description box. If you will want to see other fashion illustration videos, then you can also comment on comment box. After completing fleshing figure, it looks like that. Thank you for watching my video. See you next video.